Earn money online with Wynter.com. Looking to earn money online? Wynter.com has got you covered. Participate in surveys and provide valuable feedback to start earning today. After filling out an introductory survey, you will receive surveys that match your professional background. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Type the name of website in Google or in main page and press the enter button from your keyboard, and its interface will show like that. Join Wynter as a participant to take part in more studies. How it works. Number 1. Sign up. Fill out onboarding survey. You will be invited to participate in surveys based on your professional profile. Number 2. Take surveys. You'll be invited to give feedback on different websites, creatives, or sales copy. One survey takes 15 minutes. Number 3. Get paid. After every survey, we pay you 10 to 00, depending on the survey type and requested audience criteria that comes up to $90 to 800 her. You can choose between different options: gift cards, Visa, PayPal, or charities to get paid. What do I need to get started? A computer. Our app does not support taking surveys on mobile device. B. You must be at least 18 years old. C. native or proficient in written English. D. An active LinkedIn.com account with up-to-date professional profile. How much do I get paid? After every survey, we pay you 10,100 USD, depending on the survey type and your seniority. The full-page message tests and the buyer intelligence. Surveys usually take 10-15 minutes to complete. The video walkthroughs take 10 minutes to complete. I am from country XYZ. Can I sign up? Wynter is currently accepting applications from the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. Thanks for watching.